In this quick tutorial I will show you where to find the Corpse Dust Reagent in Orgrimmar in World of Warcraft Wrath of the Lich King, also known as WOTLK. And as a bonus I will show you how to stop using this reagent with the help of a simple glyph which can be bought at the action. So that being said, let's start this tutorial. So the Corpse Dust Reagent will help you to use your Dead Knight spell, and this spell will bring back to life a dead ally but in an undead form. And this spell uses this Corpse Dust Reagent. And if you don't have this glyph, the Glyph of Raise Dead, you will need a reagent. But in case you want to buy this glyph, this will help you to use this spell without a reagent anymore. And by any chance, if you'd like to buy this glyph I talk about, you'll have to get right here in Orgrimmar, in the Valley of Strength, in the east side, because here is the action house. And to get this glyph, let's speak with the actioner and let's type Glyph of Raise Dead, and you can buy it from here. So that's how to get the glyph in case you are interested. So in case you still want to buy the Corpse Dust Reagent in Orgrimmar in WOTLK, I'll show you right now the location. You will have to get in the Valley of Strength, right here in the north. Alright, so let's enter this building from here, and this is the Reagent vendor. Let's speak with him, and now at the second page you will find the Corpse Dust Reagent for the price of 4 silver each. So I hope this WOTLK tutorial helped you out. Subscribe for more straight to the point tutorials next time when you search something, and I hope you have a great day.